Oh, hey guys, big announcement. I just gotta tell you something really horrible or maybe good to you. Anyone else? Let me just explain. Let me explain, okay, guys? Let me show you. Actually, I'll show you one of my videos. You remember those? I've been playing those games, so this time I'm an artist. I'll show you one of my artist videos. The first one will be one of this Among Us, which not kind of basic, but I'll I'll let you know. Wait, sorry. I mean, I will send you that. I'll send that video on my channel. I've never been making videos, so I'm gonna give you one more video, and I'll keep going on and on. So, big announcement is done, but let me just show you my videos first, okay, guys? Hold on. So this is one of my latest videos I've been making a really long time ago. I just sent it to YouTube. If you want to check it out, go on. I just can you just press on my channel and press view channel and you'll find this video called Toilet Tower Defense Boa Noobs. But today, this is not just a big announcement. I actually my name in Hasm is not actually Hasm. It's something else. Um, actually, we're gonna watch a movie I created for all of you guys. Let's start. And go ahead. Get ready for the movie to watch. We'll start in 1 minute. Get ready. While you're watching the video, just enjoy. I'll set up the timer 1 minute and we'll go on. Okay, guys, enjoy the video. Oh, yeah, that's right. I have to put the sound on. That is so bad, Mr. Noob. Oh, my God. Ugh. I'm gonna do some fast way to get this done. In 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, they are upgraded. Whoa, that's interesting. What? What? This guy thinks too bad. Nah, they're dead. Oh my. But if I'm sorry to tell you, but I ran out of Robux for my last video of how to get 100 Robux. So I'll get a lot of Robux later, like 10,000. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want me to get 10,000 and donate you 1K Robux. It's the same way. Just join my group and send me a friend request. I'll accept it. And then, you'll get 1K or 100. Alright guys, so this is the end of it, so let's get back. Let's go to the movies. So, okay guys, so this is the movie I'm going to show you, so get ready. I'm going to show you this movie now, and we'll go ahead on it. Let's go. Get ready. Oh, and today, I like to go to the, I'm going in this. Welcome. Airplane 4. One last flight. Wakey wakey, it's a bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today is the big day. Let me remind you. We are flying to the Rohamas. Get down here. Oh my God, what is it? Wait, we're going to the Rohamas? Let's go. I can't wait. I've never went to the Rohamas. I'm coming downstairs, Dad. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. I don't even remember where my clothes are. Okay, here is what we are going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Let's go and explore the house. Let's see what we can do. Whoa. Okay, I remember where everything is. All my clothes should be okay. Why am I coughing? Anyways, got back into the video. Announcement. I would like to tell you there's a secret in here. If you didn't find it in this game, I'll tell you. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go! Huh? Oh, that was really fast. Oh, no, that's the wrong one! I need to get that quick. There it is. Come on. That item! It's not letting me. Oh, come on. Get there. Get down. All right. I got this item done. Let's go and get the other item. What's the next item? Oh, this might be in the girls' room. No. It's in the It's in there. It's in there. It's in there. Quickly. No. I need to get that quick. Oh, no. I don't even have time to get this done. Let's get there. Whoa. Oh, there it goes. Ah. Woohoo. I'm gonna try to remember what's next. What's the next item I have to get, bro? Oh, I remember. It's this item. It's the cookie item. It might be in here. No, yeah, it's there. Come on, I gotta get there. Yay! Woohoo! Mostly. I can't wait. Let's go. I got the dad. Burgers are almost ready. Let's go to the backyard. All right. Attention and attention. We are going to a secret. You see this vent? We are going inside. Secret. All right. You have to touch this part for something, I guess. Anyways, this is the party. So, attention and attention. We are done with the secret. Let's get out of here and get some cheeseburgers. Oh my god. Ooh. Huh? Oh, burgers are almost ready. They're here. Hooray! Who wants a burger? I do. so hungry. Oh yeah, I'm so hungry. All right, whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Oh my god, that person's almost done. What happened to him, bro? Hey. It's Lee Huss. One for Fighter Boy Shack. One for Unicorn Fairyland. One for Destroyer 661714. One for JJ1122 and that's all of them. Enjoy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum. Delicious, bro. Radio. Hello, everyone. We are back on Bloxia States News. Oh, it's the radio. Radio. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential board. Whoa, can you imagine saving a plane? However, the president said in conference, as we landed, the suspects somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Oh my, look at the time! What? What's happened? Are we almost late? We're running late to our flight! There is no way we can make it in time. What? Unless... Follow me. Alright. Follow objective. Follow that. Alright, let's go. Unless, follow me. Okay, good. Oh. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, what is it? Why are we over here? What is this place? Whoa. Well, cool. Did you hear the story? The garage? Wait for it. Whoa, what's gonna happen, Dad? I present you your very own small plane. Get aboard, everyone. Woo! We get to fly to airport to catch another plane. That's funny. It's also a lot more fun than walking. Now, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. I'm already in my plane, so I don't need to. No worries. Wait. Huh? Wait, what? Wait. I'll see you guys at the other side. Wait. How? Wait! We don't even know how to fly these. We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Obstacles? I don't take my baggage. Oh no. What am I going to do? Well anyways, let's just figure out how to drive these. Oh yay. Boy. Whoa. Oh no. Whoa, that was a close one. Oh, I almost crashed into there. Let's keep going to the airport. Oh no. Whoa. Oh, that's so close. Wait, what is over there? Is that a cave? Spikes! I need to get that done. I don't want to crash. I don't want to crash. Ah! Whoa, that was a close one. I almost crashed. Oh, it's the airport. Everyone catching up? Ooh, everyone almost died. Woo! We made it. Oh, hi, Dad. Perfect. Everyone is here now. I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is illegal! What did we just do? Hopefully nobody saw you. Whatever, Dad. Let's just go to the airport. This airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Okay. It's right there. Wait. Watch before crossing. Oh, well, let's just go. Let's cross the street. Let's go. Ah! Wait, be careful with the truck. Just close. Now hurry inside. Oh, yay. Hooray. Baggage. Oh, well. Attention, everyone. Flying 7618 to Rohabas is leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us. Uh-oh, I need to put that. What do I have to do? Baggage drop. Oh, good. I got my ticket. Now let's get out of here. Oh, good. Oh, good, Dad. What happened to those people? What? Okay, guys, that sometimes there's a glitch where you don't know, but you just gotta walk over it. Then you get the ticket. Sorry, guys. I guess they're left out. Oh, no. What do I do? I know. They're gonna leave without me. No. What happened? No. Don't. No more waiting. Let's go. Uh-oh. I guess they died. That is our plane. Ooh. Hooray! Hello, you must be the last passengers flying to Rohabas. Don't worry, you are just in time. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector and you are good to go. Alright, let's go through the metal detector then. Hooray! Huh? What? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapon. Oh, how did you pass? Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Oh no, I don't like how that sounds. Oh good, he's back. What's wrong, bro? Wait, police? Uh-oh, that doesn't sound like you are going to have to come with us. Security. That sounds like a bad thing. Oh no. What happened? Is there a problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait here until we get all the paperwork ready. Oh no! it was a bad idea. Now we are totally losing the flight. There it goes. It's starting to take off. Oh, Dad. What is that ranting in the airstrip? What is that, bro? What is that? Last one. My plan is finally complete. Are you enjoying the show, humans? Who are you, bro? Your world will soon be property of the undead. What? No way! At first I used angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry. You will be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. Wah-ha-ha-ha-ha. Oh no! Don't just leave yet, mister. Oh, what is going on? Oh, the cops are here. Let's ask them for help. Look, the cops are back. Let's ask them for help. I'm not sure. I don't think those cops are friendly. Ticket. Oh yes, let's get him. Get him! Get him, you losers! You're such a loser. Bro, get out of my way! You're losers! Such big losers! Get him! Let's go! We defeated all of them. Huh. That's who's boss. That was horrible. We gotta find a way to exit this place. Yeah! I need to get it. Look, there is vents. Try to see if we can get up there and find something. Alright, let's go! Come on. Whoa. Yeah. Vent. I guess it's the last one, guys. Here we go. Hiya! What? I keep falling. Wait, there you are, bro. Come on, let's keep finding the way. Oh, how can I reach that? Yes! Oh, it opened. Look, guys, we found an open vent. Let's go. We need to get out of here. Quick! Wait, where is that? You need to keep going. Without me! Oh no! The skeleton curse is affecting Dad! We have to do something. But first, let's get out of this place. Before more monsters come, escape the roof vent. Objective, escape the roof vent. Oh, here we go. Keep going. Let's go. A baggage. Whoa! Come on. I'm gonna keep going up. Whoa! Ah! Huh? Who is that? Who are you? General Poncho? Oh, I remember you. I don't think I know you. Oh, there you are, bro. Well, it looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? I'm Poncho. ex-general of the Robloxia States Army. I heard you in the news. You were not supposed to be dead. I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We are the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. We need to do this for our dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me! Alright, let's get out of here. General Poncho, how are we? Oh, there's the board. Let's get down here. Oh, who's that? That way! Huh? Huh? Who are you even? Be careful. This guy might be infected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Hello, General. Remember me? No way! You are supposed to be dead! I guess we are both supposed to be dead, but here we are. What? When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. What are you talking about, General Poncho? You're not going to be part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There is no way my team is going with you. Who should I choose? Ronald. One vote. Yeah, everyone wants to go with Ronald. You made me back. We choose to go with Ronald. Good luck, soldiers. You are going to need it. This is the place where Skeletox hides. You guys hear that? What? More monsters! They're coming for us. We have to rush inside. Get to the end of the maze. Split up, guys. I'll see you at the end of the maze. Ah! Ah! The monsters are here! Ah! The monsters are here! Ah! Ah! No! Run for my life! For my life! You pay! Please! No! Oh! Ronald! There you are, Ronald! The altar. Hey, this is not good. What do you mean? Why are the eyes of the statue glowing? What's happening? Huh? Oh, it's Ronald! Where are they? Ronald, what's happening? me. Howard, a doctor. Follow me, please. Oh, what happened? I don't like the feeling of this. No way. The parents. I'm really sorry, kid. Your parents are not going to make it. Oh, the plane crash was too bad. We did all we could. I'll give you a minute to say goodbye. I'm really sorry. No. Ronald, what happened? Mom? Dad? You can't go, I need you! I'm just a kid! There has to be something I can do! There is one thing. I can give your parents a second chance. If you are willing to accept my deal. Tell me more. I'll do anything. When the time comes, you will have to crash a plane full of passengers, and I will take their soul. As a result, I will revive your parents. But if you fail, I will take your soul instead. I will do it. This is for you, Mom and Dad.
Oh, that was good, guys. Let's go on. Let's
No way.
intro first, guys.
We
Okay.
finished it. Hooray! If you enjoyed today's adventure, please like and subscribe. Plus, you can watch my YouTube shorts or subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys. So, how was the movie? Tell me in the comments, and you will get a cookie. Oh, I don't care. Actually, I want to show you one more thing. Wait, do I have to? I don't think so. I'm sorry, guys. I should show my gallery. Too bad. Alright then. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Okay, bye-bye. I'm done with you. Dun dun dun.